corn. Let's get some. This one. So here you guys don't say corn. What we call corn in Shona? Not much is up. Thought we'd take you guys along. Hey Mega Nation, welcome back to our channel. This is a very unique video. Very limited editing because it's just going to be like straight vlogging because we never had anything planned for you guys. Today's a Sunday, it's a chilled day, but people are always saying, well, you guys need to upload more, and the reason why we haven't been uploading as much as you'd like is because our lives are really not that interesting. We're not traveling as much because I'm busy at work, Tony's at work, or son is at school, and yeah, that's pretty much our lives daily. It's mundane and pretty normal like everyone else. We don't consistently have like travel vlogs and so on, and it's a task trying to find things to vlog about, and we're also not very keen on like just sharing small details about our lives. We do try to keep some things private. We're not trying to be public figures, honestly. So not really big on personal vlogging. You know, most of you have never even ever seen inside of our house because, you know, we're not that type of vloggers. You know, come to get dressed with me, tour my house, blah blah blah. No, the channel is more, you know, about the cultural content and showing that side of thing, not our personal lives. Anyway, I'm gonna change it up a bit today just for you guys, just to make sure we're gonna have content like you've been asking. So yes, Tiggs, that's my son saying mommy. Your iPad is dead. All right, bring it, come and plug it in for you and charge it. So yeah, sorry about that. So today's a Sunday, it's a chilled day, and we're not up to anything interesting or exciting. We're just gonna go for a drive to pick up something in town and come back. So we're just gonna take you along for that drive. Those of you who've never seen the town or seen Harare, blah blah blah, come along with us. And yeah, just come on a chill Sunday drive with me. That's all I have to offer. That's all we have to offer this week. Maybe you could get dressed with me. I don't know. I'm going to pick out a nice flowy light African outfit. Then we hit the road. Let's go, guys.
Ready?
Yes. Yeah. You're still...
Let me just
put on a shirt and then
I'll just finish my match.
And Deisha. So today is a Sunday and we're taking you along for a ride. This is what it looks like just driving through Harare. This is downtown. It's quite busy. Usually when you're in Jamaica, you're on the road on a Sunday. It's not even that busy. Oh, what's the worst thing, babe, about driving here?
Look there.
What? Oh, hey! Well, boss.
In the salad.
But yeah, it's a Sunday, but the place not dead. Like, is it always this guys, my seatbelt is here, okay? Let me even there you go. But I just have a bad habit of putting it under my arm like this. But anyway. Is it always this busy on a Sunday, babe? So people are going to church.
People are enterprising, people are looking for money.
Like, it's so busy.
Look at the street.
Guys, this is downtown Harare, like downtown Kingston. So yeah, I'm taking you on a tour. For those who've never been to Zimbabwe,
What do you
this is
buy?
downtown in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Minibus, or here we call them combis. Combi, right?
See the traffic light is down. Oh, Mama, run.
So, what are you guys up to for Sunday? We're just driving through the town. And taking you guys along with us.
Look at that.
Imari? $1 for two. Okay, so two then. It's fine. Maybe this one and this one. So here you guys don't say corn. What we call corn in Shona? We call corn. No, we call corn in Shona in your language. Nunzi chi. This
one. Maize. Chibagi.
Chibagi. Chibagi. Alright. Metabasa.
Salt.
Yes, please. How many of these do you sell
A day.
a day?
Or 120. 10 dozen.
10 dozen
10
per
dozen, see, 120. 120 cups.
120 per day. That's a lot of money. That's like $60 a day.
Yes.
What?
Not every day.
What? My figure start come sell chibage. $60.
Yeah, $60.
That's good money.
$30, $40.
On a bad day. That's not bad. My tabasa.
That's it.
Alright, thank you.
Nice.
So we're gonna eat rich baggy. Do you want some? Chibage. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be too hard. But Jamaicans, tell me something. Don't we used to roast corn back in the day? Because remember my mommy used to say, there's a saying like, you favor like when they roast corn get drunk, bro. What's this road called, babe? Oh look, all these embassies. Embassy of what? Embassy of blah blah.
It's got a new name, but it used to be called Second Street Extension.
Okay.
Oh, it's called Sem Nuyoma.
Some what?
Sem Nuyoma Street.
Oh, Sam Noma. Okay.
I think Sem Nuyoma was a Namibian president.
And the Embassy of India. Guys, this is the random drive, and honestly we're not going to take you like to every place in Harare because we're low on fuel. Look. It's almost empty. Can you guys see that?
Please like, share and subscribe so that we
buy fuel. We're going to get fuel. Okay, we're getting fuel, guys, don't worry. Get some fuel from Total. This is the fuel price. Up there. Yes, we're getting fuel for the car because we're almost empty. Yeah. What is this place? What is this place, Daddy?
It's a place.
Daddy said it's a place. Guys, my jaws are tired. I'm tired now.
I'm done. Hold this.
You hold it.
I think we should have bought one in shade.
How do you buy one for 50 cents?
You get change.
Really? You guys have 50 cents?
20 zig.
Okay. So there's nothing fancy happening in our lives right now. It's quite boring. So what?
Who's the guy who sells manure?
Manure. You want to buy manure? Yes, Tiggs. You're hot? Daddy Tiggs says he's hot. Can we put his window down? Thank you. Yeah, so guys, that's it for our Sunday. We're gonna go home now. Maybe we'll take you through something. I don't know if we decide to do something fun at home. Otherwise,